I asked my boyfriend to reply to a message for me and he started looking through my phone. The other day I was baking and my boyfriend came into the kitchen to hang out with me for a bit. So we're talking and laughing and at this point I was basically elbow deep in flour, so when I got a text, I asked him to look at it and reply to it for me. It wasn't anything bad, just my friend asking if I was home and she could come over. I told him to text her yes she could, and after he did that, he started looking through my phone. When I asked him what he was doing and he said, "I'm looking through your chats, it's no big deal." Sir, this is not how this works. I just felt annoyed that he would use that opportunity to look through my phone, so I asked him why. He just said he wanted to see what I was up to. Now I don't have anything to hide, but the reply angered me, and made me think he didn't trust me. Also the way he went about it was a little irritating because I asked him to do something and he took advantage of that opportunity. Would I rather he did it secretly? He asked. No, in fact I'd rather he didn't do it at all. Of course comes the predictable, if you didn't have anything to hide then you wouldn't be irate right now. Angered me even more. I'm literally kneading furiously at this point and asking him repeatedly to please drop my phone. He refused and went to our bedroom and locked himself in there. I'm not one to do too much, and also, I had nothing to hide, so I waited for him to come back from his little expedition and come and answer to me when he didn't find anything. It was about 20 minutes when he came back in with a goofy smile and dropped the phone back on the counter. I asked him if he found anything and he said no, that maybe I'm just good at hiding, with that same poop-eating grin. At this point I'm boiling and asked him how he felt invading my privacy, and he said that my privacy is his privacy. I tried to explain that I didn't like how he went about it and I don't like that behavior at all, but he countered saying that if I wasn't cheating or being dubious then this shouldn't be a big deal. That if I want to look through his phone too, I'm welcome. I just silently walked away and have been seething for 2 days. He tried to apologize, but he still doubles down on the fact that if I had nothing to hide I won't be mad.